Alright. Unknown Hampton Bay fan in this living room of my cousin's house. No one's in here, it's just me. There's a CFL, so I'm not going to dim the lights. Has a Hampton Bay remote and Hampton Bay chains. That's why it's Hampton Bay, see? So we're gonna turn it on low. It's on forward. I would turn the TV off, but one of my parents might be mad or something, so I'm not gonna mess with it. So no copyright infringements because I'm not trying to play this. I don't want to mute the audio because I have commentary. Okay, so it already is shaking, swaying a bit on low. Now we're gonna go medium. Now I know it's probably dumb to do a fan video when it looks like this outside. I'm still gonna do one anyway. Been needing to record this for a while. And high speed. So let's turn that on. Doesn't blow too much air. This is an interesting ventless model. And while it's on low, we'll go up the stairs here and see the top. You can see the way it's mounted. Okay, so let's hold a high and do a spin down before we turn it off. Let's get it to high, sped up, and off. We'll go down the stairs slowly here. There's their live Christmas tree. It's not turned on right now. It's dark in here because the Christmas tree is not on. You can see the snow-covered skylights. Has badge blade brackets, as you can see. And I kind of like this model just because it looks kind of nice. I mean, I do like the light globes, although they're getting more transparent ones. And I like the finish on it. So if anyone knows the model name of this fan, please let me know. I would like to know. Okay, so if it will stop later. I don't want to do a full spin down here. So over and out, guys. Thanks for watching.